Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2016 Pete 389 factory built glider kit day cab to show you. Built with a 12.7 liter Detroit 13 speed. It's only got 615,000 actual miles and 35,000 miles on an engine overhaul, including head, injectors, and turbo. Got it fired up and running out here for you. Gonna do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, frame rails, finish up on the inside. This one's also equipped with a wet kit and has full lockers. Let's go ahead and get started. See the new head. Frame rails are clean. Excellent steers. Body and paint are excellent. Blow by looks good. Grill surround, fenders, all looks like it's in good shape. Excellent drives, air track suspension, dependable fifth wheel, all aluminum wheels. Excellent brakes as well. It's a Southern truck, so there's no rust. If you're wanting a nice, clean, pre-emission day cab, this is it. It's got the look, extra lights, wet kit. They've upgraded this legacy seat. Here's your wet kit control tower. No check engine lights. Super smooth through the RPMs. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got any questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call. 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.